So we're at the Mongap in Delaware, and I'm on the video of this because, well, I went down as well, but it's fucking crazy. Dan and James are going out now on the floats, and they're going to go down these fucking rapids right here into this fucking gorge. And it's fucking crazy. Like, it's just, oh. Alright, I'll let you watch. And I think it's Dan on his little pink float, and James on his fucking yellow float. And there's people rafting down here, you can see. It's around 85 degrees today. It's fucking hot. And I don't know if you can see Dan on the camera. I don't know if you can, but he's just up the top there. You can see him there on the big float. And he's gonna come down here. It's fucking crazy. I can't, oh, so sketchy. Alright, they're gonna go now. Here goes Dad. Oh wait, no, he's not going yet. Alright, here goes Dan. Alright, here goes Dan on his back. I don't know how he looks up on his back. He's there. His little big float. There he is. Woo! Here's Dave. I don't know if you can see how powerful this river is, but it's fucking crazy. It just throws you right off the float. Here's James on his big float. Oh shit! Trying to get out of the current. There it goes. And that's the Mongap. Fucking crazy.